A very greetings to all of my audience. In this video, I will be talking about the impact of globalization uh, in the mid-year of 2025, and what will be its future, and what will be its impact beyond 2025. You know that globalization is an exchange of businesses and technology between the countries, and at present, the American or the United States is the dominating nation in the field of globalization all across the world. So, what will happen beyond 2025? Beyond 2025, you will see that more of the Asian countries which are developing and which are already developed and which are advancing at higher rate, like China, India, European nations, and also United States. These regions will dominate the globalization all across the world. There will be regional friendship between blocks like ASEAN bloc हो गया, BRICS bloc is there. So there will be regional ties between them. There will be more segmentation, more fragmentation in the terms of globalization, and more partnerships will be there in the coming future. Uh, the total dependence on American products will reduce because most of the countries are emerging demographics all across the world. The industry is revolutionized. There's artificial intelligence, there's a quantum computing. So all these technicians now see India is a young population country, and we have a young workforce, highest number of young workforce all across the world. So these countries will try to take advantage of our workforce, and India will get a lot of FDAs, and there is no point that India will become a developed country before 2047. Though our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi has declared 2047 as a target to make India a totally a developed country. But according to me, the globalization will in the coming years will become more of a partnership, and there will be more mergers and acquisitions among the businesses all across the world. So the globalization area will get fragmentations, and you will see a lot of African countries even emerging as the global superpowers. That's it in this video. If you do like my videos, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. My name is author Devansh Mehta. I'm a master's in pharmacology, qualified with the A grade. I'm a master's in business administration MBA, and I'm a B Pharma. I'm a certified business analytics, and I'm certified in digital marketing, and also I am the founder director of two startups which are recognized by the government of India, named TRM Writers and Market Mavericks Digital OBC. I come from Meerut, the land of weed, and thank you so much.